Hello class, this is a video tutorial on depreciation. Depreciation is a percentage loss of a principal amount. As such, it can be seen as the opposites of interest. So with interest, you are given extra on top of the initial amount. Depreciation is a loss of that amount. Let's take a look at an example of the following. So a car depreciates by 20% at the beginning of each year. What's its value after 3 years if it was $35,000 brand new? As you can see, this is very similar to the compound interest scenario, and you're going to see this, the very close similarity it has to compound interest. Let's take a look here now. So at the beginning of the year, the first year, it's brand new, so it's worth $35,000. How much it depreciates by is 20% of its current value. So it's 20 over 100 times $35,000. So it's going to be 20 over 100 times $35,000. So it loses $7,000 in its first year. So its remaining value is the beginning of the year, but this time we're going to subtract the depreciation amount, which is 7,000. So 35,000 minus 7,000, that is $28,000 remaining at the start of the second year. So at the second year, it's worth this amount here after its loss, and we now need to find 20% of this amount. So it's going to be 20 over 100 times $28,000, which equals 20 over 100 times $28,000. That's $5,600 in loss. So this amount now is going to be $28,000 minus its depreciation. So 28,000 minus 5,600. So it's now currently worth $22,400 in the end of its second year. Now its third year, it's currently worth this amount. And we need to find 20% of its current value. So it's 20% of, 20 over 100 times 22400. That's 20 over 100 times 22400. So you would lose $4,480. So its remaining value, 22,400 subtracted by 4,480, 22400, 44480, $17,920. So as you can see, it's very similar to compound interest, where you find the rate that it's currently at, but this time you're subtracting rather than adding to the value. So what's its value after 3 years? We've calculated here. So after 3 years, it's worth $17,920. Let's do this one more time. And we can see it here. A painting this time. Let me adjust my camera a bit. So a painting loses 12% value each year. What's its value after 4 years? Well, doing this very quickly now. At the start of the year, you can pause this and give this a go yourself. All right? I encourage you to. Here we go. At the start of the year, it's worth $3,000. It will lose 12% of 3,000. So 12 over 100 times 3,000. We can calculate that one. 12 over 100 times 3,000. That's $360. And we know the remaining amount. We need to subtract this from the original. So 3,000 subtracted by 360. That's 2640. That's its remaining value. Now at the start of the next year, 2640, it's going to lose 12% again of this amount. So 12 over 100 times 2640. 12 over 100 times 2640. That will give us $316.80. So we need to subtract this amount from here. So 2640 subtracted by 316.80. So its remaining value is 2,323.20. At the beginning of the next year, it's 2,323.20. Once again, it's repeating over and over again. 2,323.20. Find 12% of this. 12 over 100 times 2,323.20. This gives us 278.784. Subtracting this amount from the previous year, so 2,323.20, 278.784. It's currently worth 2,044 cents, 416. And lastly, for this last year, 2044, we need to find 12% of the current amount. That's 2,044.446. 12, oops, running out of space. 12 over 100 times 2,044.416. This is 245.32992. And subtracting this from the previous year, 2,044.416 minus 245.3232992. It'll be worth 1,799 and 0.868, or we can approximate this to 1799.09 cents. So after 4 years, it's currently worth $1,799.09. So, hopefully that gave you an insight into the depreciation of items. Best of luck.